This episode is brought to you by TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com. TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com is your all-access to culture. Check out cultural merchandise like leggings, hats, mini boxing gloves, and bags. Also t-shirts like hip-hop, nature, rock bands, reggae, and dark fantasy. Fast shipping worldwide. That's TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com. Now let's check out this episode. So after Q45, this was when you started to record for Stone Love, or what was your next move after Q45?
After Q45, everybody that on them own now start living with one life. Buju Banton have a audition for young artists. Mm-hmm. Them time there, we still classify ourselves as young star.
Because so you only have the one song that you flipped twice as a song under your belt at that time.
At that time, yes. So, me now, me go up a Buju. Mm-hmm. Because them I say, Buju have young star and thing. And when me go up a Buju, me like the energy. Mm-hmm. The whole vibe of where I go on right so. I like the Rasta vibe too, because my father is a Rasta man. I love the chanting energy. I love the environment, you know. It have a different feel. For sure. Women are interested in this love. So at that time I did it and hang out and just hang out. But you don't really know me 100 like that either. You know what I mean? We just did it, I hold it, and it's not like you never seen me before, but so you see and know you're two different things. So would you have a virgin named Jack? Mm-hmm. So Jack, him always check for me too. You know what I mean? I'm always I say, yo, you if you stay when time, them I go if you stay. I follow them go on. Mm-hmm. And think I have a good vibes there for record and them thing. So Buju always encourage you and say, yo, you don't want to party. You want a man for party and star. Mm. You don't want a man for just there and stand up like a party. You know, do nothing, you know, go in on the studio, go record, nothing you try to elevate yourself. Buju is not that type of person that really like worthless people. You understand what I say? Mm-hmm. Yeah, him not like them type of people that way. You're just there, you're not interested in the music, you're just a part. Mm-hmm. If he's an artist, as long as you come out as a musician, you want to do music. So that was an encouragement from the both of them, from Jack and Buju, and say, yo, encourage us. So me then they record them, telling me I do look good recording in the studio too. Okay. You know what I mean? Some nice and some not nice. But me dep on some rhythm in there, couple of rhythm too, like more than one. And you know what I mean? Then they do something and then they end up start be a part of the whole thing. You understand what I say? So and it's like me and Buju them aspire and one.
Was it Cell Block Times? Cell Block Times or Cell Block Times or Gargamel Music?
No, Gargamel Music.
Okay.
No, Gargamel Music. Mm-hmm. This is when Buju at his own place, Gargamel Music at Carly Avenue. Mm-hmm. So just by there and then Buju end up in a little trouble too, and when the people them come up by me yard, come see them find weed and a bag of weed that thing, and you know, remember them charge Buju a Jamaican and some like a full thing and whatever it was, him just hold it out and be a man and just, you know what I mean, them say them cancel him visa. I remember that time, man.
Of course.
And thing and yeah, so the whole of we did and you know, we'll just be a part of the whole energy and we'll hold it out together and we'll go and cook some food and make money same way and do music same way. And that is when Buju put out the rhythm called 100 Watt and record pan it and diddly down on the dilly. Not even $1,000 in my belly. Crazy girl want wine pan the willy. Them song there and me start record some other different song, you know what I mean? Liquid them come on at the studio and bring a rhythm around there and well, gangsters say watch your flex, cause anything can happen next and if it, you know, me start record and start do some song and on a fire upon a carnal abuse. I'll rape a man to make the headline news. So me I do some song them time there and you know, did it with the G. Anyway, everything free up back again and Buju decide say everything my female, you know, free up back, you know, what for free up, visa go run back, you know, and show I go do and I go on tour and decide to carry me on tour too.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So that was my first big tour in a real life. With Elephant was a little tour. You know what I mean? With Buju, them go a real tour down the whole Europe, city by city. You know what I mean? Over 18 show. You understand?
Yeah.
So that was it, and then me come from this one, then Buju have me all over the world, me and Buju up on all the island tours and tour the America like tour America for real. You know what I mean? Kentucky and some hustler and some place where me I tell
some
you
crevice
tour.
and corners that usually
Yes,
doesn't get it done.
some place where you only a big star see them names there. Unless you read them up. You know what I mean?
With that, no. You guys did Europe, US, Caribbean, and all that. Do you remember any shows in particular that never leaves your mind that you guys did on that tour there? It just stood out to you for some reason.
Trust me, with Gargamel, trust me, it's many shows like that. Gargamel is like a sound system where you plug in a wall and press play. And it does start work. So with Gargamel, me be honest here, there's many of that show where you get you know, eye water run from your eye production and you know what I mean? How the whole thing come across. You see me I say? Several times. It's not like one time or you know what I mean? I can remember in the same England over there now, London too. You know what I mean? When Gargamel touched down, you know what I mean? Just for the Rex and place me I tell you, place mash up. You see me, them time the driver just bus driver. You see me? Remember Amazura, remember places, remember Rotterdam Festival, you know, remember enough things. Believe me, we can tell us several places where it's the same impact, you know what I mean? And even greater too. Trust me.
What did you learn from Buju when it came to performance opposed to when you're over at Q45? What was the difference in the performance level at that time there?
At Q45, it was okay. With Buju, it was make sure you get it good. So two different things. I didn't understand the meaning of key at Q45.
Okay.
I understand the meaning of key when I go to Buju.
Got you.
Like, what is the difference? You know what I mean? When you look on tour, you sing on Lenky or a face the man like Lenky, top musician Lenky. Say, kids, I feel like I can't come on the stage, come sing half key. You're half key. And the man in a sugarcoat, you're half key. You understand what I mean? No, you can't imagine I'm gonna tell you say half key and then what I'm talking about.
How do I fix this problem? How?
You know what I mean? How do I fix this? How do I work this out? What are you talking about? What name key? You know what I mean? So, you know, Lenky them a teacher. So upon the tour bus, me learn key, you know. Upon the bus, you know, when the bus are driving, you know, 8 and 9 hours, you know. Lenky take out the keyboard and tell soldiers, say, string up this and play about my song. And when the song I sing, him say, sing. And I say, take me a song, I sing them time there. A nice reggae music, come here and say, take stress off of your mind, even if you never have a dime, and put a smile up on your face. And I don't know, whatever. When we start singing, then you say that flat. So he say, peep, 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 and say, yo, sing. Take stress off of your mind, even if you never have a dime, and put a smile up on your face. So I start have an idea what it is, and he couldn't learn in a one day. You know what I mean? But get the idea, I start learning now piece by piece by piece. And then Nikki Burt now, which is the harmony singer now, she are one of them now where help push the key thing upon me now and say, kids, come on, man, you go off key now. And you know what I mean? And she start teach me, yo, kids, that's how you do. These are the key, man. Listen to the phrase, listen to the bang, bang, listen to the piano. Sing with it now. Why you don't sing on the piano? Why you keep singing on the bass? You know what I mean? So we learn them like a thing there from with Buju, it was a higher level, you know what I mean? Things step up there, so I can do other things. This is where when I learn from Buju, I eat my liver for now. Buju teach me how to hold the mic. Because one time I just hold the mic and cover it up, Buju, so slap it out for your answer. Like, you know what I mean? Answer where I do. Amateur business, I'm hold the mic good out. So I hold the mic so the diaphragm breathe, them hear you better, and it don't squeak, and it don't hum, and it don't and give them eat that sound. So them thing that was some learning process. See?
Because I know you even recorded a song with him also.
Yeah, man. Rainy October morning, I don't know if you do. The whole place on a curfew. Money no green, money no blue. From top to top, them Corelli Avenue. Really, yeah, man.
Mhm.
Burn up, burn up, burn up. Steve Blind Mice, man.
Mhm. How did you guys
Yeah.
come up with that song there?
I mean, as me tell you, Buju is a musician.
Mhm.
It was an early morning where Buju exercise and I will have vibes. And me and him are driving at the car and them listen to the, I think, a Brigadier Jerry on a rhythm there, one of them one day.
Mm.
Burn up, burn up, burn up. Long time on around to me no down. Oh, a long time on around me till no down. And we are drive and them a listen to that. I'm gonna say, yo, good kid, I want you, good. A long time on around me till no dance and station go check Goofy. We drive go check Goofy, Mr. G.
Mhm.
Them time Mr. G I was studio. And Buju take out the CD out of him car and say, Mr. G, run off the rhythm. I want all the vibes. Our vibes, 2 songs that day. The Buju the one by himself and the one with me and him.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah.
Big.
So
Was
them
that the
thing
only
there's some
song you guys
natural
did?
vibe, man. I be your natural vibes, them thing that was, you know?
Mhm.
Yeah.
So you guys did a lot of stuff. So how long were you over at Gargamel Music for?
For a long time, I did an argument for a long time, man. I mean, when Buju end up little before him end up now look a problem and thing. You know what I mean?
Mhm.
So the world run. You see me I say? And thing, but I did it for a long time. Enjoy myself, get a good energy, learn a lot. Buju, a one done same way, nothing never change.
Mhm.
You understand me I say? You just have to branch off and do what you have to do all day.
Mhm.
But at the same time, Buju,
Mhm.
that not change. You understand? And that at the
1000%.
school. And that is the school where a lot of things come from to the end. You know what I mean?
Mhm. This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.